Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something a little different. Something that's been on my mind. It's about memory, love, and the quiet spaces in between. I was thinking the other day, and I realized I can no longer recall the exact color of your laugh. Isn't that strange? I can't see it in my mind's eye anymore. But what I do remember, what I can still feel, is the aftersound. It's like a bell that's been rung, still humming softly in the air long after the moment has passed. A vibration that only I can perceive. It's a gentle echo that lingers when no one else seems to notice. Sometimes, when the world quiets down, especially in the evening, I find myself listening. If I press my ear to the silence, to the stillness of the coming night, I can hear you. It's not a loud presence, but a subtle one. I hear you in the spaces between footsteps on the pavement and the soft, steady glow of the streetlights. It's as if you exist in the moments of quiet transition from day to night. You're the silence that holds everything else together. And it got me thinking, maybe remembrance is just love learning a softer grammar. When we first experience love, it's loud, it's vibrant, it's a declaration. But over time, it changes. It doesn't disappear. It just learns a new language. It becomes less about the grand statements and more about the quiet understanding, the unspoken presence. The sharp edges of memory soften, and what's left is a gentle, pervasive warmth. The memory becomes a part of us, woven into the fabric of our being, not as a sharp, painful sting, but as a constant, comforting undertone. Maybe this hush, this profound quietness where I still find you, is what you meant by forever. It's not about never-ending noise or a constant presence that demands attention. Instead, forever is this gentle, unbreakable stillness. It's a love that doesn't need to shout to be heard. A connection that exists beyond time and space in the quiet hum of the universe. It's a promise kept not in words, but in the peaceful silence that remains. It's the most beautiful kind of forever I could imagine. Thank you so much for sharing this moment with me. It means a lot to be able to share these thoughts with you all. If this resonated with you in any way, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.